Highforce is the UK's leading manufacturer of hydraulic tools, headquartered in Daventry, England. Highforce's range of more than 2,000 products caters to a broad customer base, predominantly in the petrochemical and refining, oil and gas, mining, construction and heavy engineering industries, along with numerous other industrial market sectors. Products include both simple and complex hydraulic lifting systems, torque and tension bolting solutions, and an expansive range of additional high-pressure hydraulic tools. Each of these products are designed and engineered within the 100,000 square foot manufacturing facility and company headquarters. The facility houses the latest manufacturing technology, coupled with highly trained and talented engineers, ensuring that Highforce products continue to exceed industry demands. Completed product is housed within the on-site logistics centre, which exports more than 87% to regional Highforce facilities and a network of authorised distributors located worldwide. Highforce's global network ensures local service and expertise in more than 100 countries. Each Highforce facility has the ability of offer related services including tool rental, on-site bolting and jacking services, tool repair, maintenance and servicing, as well as calibration. Highforce's training courses held within a Highforce training centre at a pre-approved customer site or online gives employees, distributors and end users access to a first-class education in the safe and correct use of hydraulic tools. Highforce is also approved by the Engineering Construction Industry Training Board to deliver mechanical joint integrity training courses. ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified, Highforce is a family-owned business with 4 decades of experience. The company's dedication to delivering the very best in British manufacturing continues to serve the requirements of the international hydraulic tools industry.